Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your heart rate measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try to not move too much, basically. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, on the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, so let's continue with the measurements. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. In this menu, find the heart rate icon, it looks like this, and tap on it. Now the watch should start measuring your heart rate automatically. And here you have the result. This number will jump around because the watch is measuring the heart rate in the real time. So basically it's gonna be jumping around like your heart rate. But once it stabilizes, it should be your current heart rate, basically. You can also swipe up and down right here in this widget to get more information. We have like heart rate zones, average BMP in last 30 days and stuff like that. And once you're done measuring your heart rate, you can press the upper button to go back. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.